we wanted something that would help me tell the story of the room. So I'm really pleased with the other side. I think it's going to be a fantastic system, something that we can play with on a daily basis. It's going to be an integral part of the room and provide us with an opportunity to do so much. Hello, my name is Stefan Kasper and I'm Assistant Teaching Professor in Modern Languages, and I'm also the Director of the Askwith Global Languages and Cultures Room. This is a unique space within the university that explores the relationships between culture, language and identity. It's a teaching space, so we run courses throughout the year, and these courses often have a maker aspect to them, so there might be media courses or games design courses, but very much still exploring culture and language. It's a relatively new room, so we want to establish ourselves and really attract as many people to come and interact and engage with our activities as possible.
What the room has been asking for was to let the visitors become the storytellers, to feel free to share their identities. The playtests have helped identify the glass as a great medium to reach out to people.
At first we thought we would look at the interior of the room, that this might be something that we use along one of our corridors, but soon it became clear that the way to engage people was through the large glass where people walk by and they were always peeking in. So we wanted to use that opportunity to speak to them directly, stop them in their tracks, maybe ask them some questions, maybe see their reactions to things, and this is what the other side have done really well.
What we created was essentially a polling system. It'll engage the visitors to express what they think, and that they can see their personal opinion transformed into public art. The experience will take place in the hallway, where it is directly open to the public traffic. It is designed to be simple and easy to engage.
Visually, we created separate projection areas to divide the question and options. The circular shapes are welcoming and adaptable to various projected contents and design. The colors and shapes are meant to be neutral and inclusive, which do not represent any specific cultures.
The interactive glass is built using rear projection film, which will be installed onto the glass. It will turn the transparent glass into a projectable screen. Fidget light sensors are attached onto the inner side of the glass to detect touch input on the outside surface. The sensors will be held in place on the glass using 3D printed containers. The container sensors are adjustable for future replacement and maintenance.
While in the idle state, animation was designed to attract people to come to interact with it. When visitors walk up to the glass wall, they could easily engage by putting their hand on the glass to select and see the response. The whole interactive experience is intuitive and almost effortless.
The system creates a digital learning environment that was provided as a tool for the student to play with. It was set to inspire students to explore the possibilities of content. We worked with the client to come up with 3 templates. Each serves different purposes and demonstrate unique functionalities and mechanics. As we were building a completely new system, the templates were necessary and helpful for both users and developers. The users can edit the content through an editor. The showcase template was designed for promoting projects and events. Besides a question or a statement, users can also upload an image or a video to the meme bubble. It not only introduces the activities to the public, but also invites people to react to it. For each template, users can also choose from a list of saved contents. The green dot indicates which content is currently active on the glass wall display. The polling template was designed for students to express opinions to academic topics or trending news using the abstract tokens. The conversation template was looking to get closer to the students. It creates a sense of opening up new conversations and a change of perspective when offering their opinions. Our solution was to transform the face of the cannon room to establish a sharing space. The polling system can lead to a public conversation and raise awareness of cultures, languages, and identities.
What's really exciting about this tool is that we'll be able to do so much. We'll be able to use it in teaching and learning, we'll be able to use it with our classes and workshops, we'll be able to design learning specifically with this tool in mind. What's brilliant about working with a team at the ETC is that they take the spark of your idea and really turn it into electricity. They really turn it into something that's going to be brilliant and be able to serve you for a long time.